Alright, hey guys, this is gonna be a John's tutorial, alright? The camera quality might be bad, but, you know, who cares? I'm using my dad's phone. So, you know, it's a regular phone. I just messed it up a little bit because I didn't like it anymore. So what we're gonna do is, it's already fucked up. So we're gonna get this, I just get it. Just you gotta hit it, like if you're really mad at somebody. Alright? Then the machete. You gotta just hit it when like you're mad. So you get it, you know, it's all messed up, just throw it to the ground, like if you're really mad. See? Now the screen's cracked just a little, so we're gonna use my little ninja sword. We're gonna come back inside my house. It's raining outside, which I don't like. We gotta be very quiet or else my parents will be awake. So, got my broken phone here, right? Now let's go to my room. Alright, my phone. So, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get my, you know what? Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. So you gotta hit it, like we just don't freaking care about this phone anymore. So just hit a couple of times. Alright. Then my phone's fucked up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to open it. You know, you just gotta get really mad at it. Right, let me just a little bit. Jesus, gotta cut. Alright, just Alright, now that the phone is fucked up, just gotta open it. No big deal. There you go. Now, so you gotta open the camera part. Alright. Oh my god. It's really hard. You know, this is how the whole inside looks like. It's really weird, but you know, the screen is really fucked up again. I'll just keep on trying to open this. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get something really heavier, so Be back in a bit. So, I didn't bring out nothing heavy. I just got a knife. And, okay, you gotta, there you go. So, what we're gonna do is gonna just, roast it. Alright, we took the, it's hot. We took the camera piece out of there. How hot. Now we're gonna go outside, and we're gonna break it more. Okay, so to just go outside. This is gonna be the best video ever. Kinda long, but you already know. Okay, so we've reached outside. Got my phone right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something different. You see the wall? We're gonna just slam it right into it. Like you're just very mad and you want. Damn it! Damn it! Oh my god, my arm is hurting. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we're gonna show you the phone. Okay, there's the phone. Really adorable. But yeah, guys and girls, there has been a tutorial by John. That and that right there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you later. Hold up, let me just stupid piece of shit. Bye, have a great time.